Hello, in this third video I'm going to demonstrate mapping an actual growing fire. So we're going to increase the burn area and look at some of the selection tools. So we open our map that we made earlier, we've got a little spot fire. The selection tool is at the top, we drag around and you can see that we've actually selected three elements here. We've got the spot fire, the fire edge and the burnt area. You can see the type there, spot fire. We click through to the next element is the fire edge, and then the last one is the burnt area polygon. What we want to do here is delete the fire edge because we're going to update the map and show it with new data. So we just click back to the fire edge only and select delete down here where the mouse is, and that just removes that one element that out of the three that's selected. Now we can go and increase our burn area. When we do this, it's important to actually make the map, the two burnt area polygons on the map overlap. So you don't have to start on the map, but draw your new one. Make sure that at least a part of it overlaps the old burnt area. Of course, if you have a separate fire, you can just draw a separate fire. Once it's drawn, you can see you've got a new burnt area. Click OK. If we just draw around and select all like we did before, well, there's a few different tools there in the selection. The easiest way to do this is just to make sure you don't get the extra element. So we've got three there, we don't want three. We don't want to delete the spot fire at this point, or the origin point. So we'll just have another go at it. There's different ways you can do it. The easiest way is just new selection and drag around across that. So you've got the two burnt areas selected. Look for the two blue circles that intersect up at the top. You can see you've got two there and the areas. That's the merge tool. That merges them into one polygon, and now you've got a common burnt area 3.6. Click OK to save. And we'll put our fire edges in. So the western side has been contained, so we'll draw around that. Hold down Control as per before, so we get the nice clean edges. Now we'll switch to our going fire edge. You can use snapping to join their lines as well. Double click to finish, click OK. We can put some extra elements in if we want to. So we can put in a fire direction. That's just a point feature, so we just do a click and drop it on the map, like so. We can change the angle by filling in the rotation. And of course we want to put a fire incident diamond on the fire as well. Make sure it's in the burnt area towards the head of the fire. Click OK. And that will authorize that map. I'm happy with that. Once it's authorized, it'll immediately be visible in COP as well as icon. When you're saving these maps, make sure that the view that you have on the screen is the one you want, because when you open the PDF, the map has been created at that extent. So you can see it's in the center there. If we go into COP, see there's the map. It's already built and done.